girls, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm excited because I have two unboxings of Boxycharm. I got the original one and now I have the premium. Boxycharm did reach out to me saying that they're going to send me the premium, and I'm really excited because I don't watch Boxycharm unboxings on YouTube. I want to be surprised just like you guys. I don't like any spoilers or anything like that. Whenever I see the emails, I'm like, delete, 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 because I don't know, your girl likes a little surprise every single month. So I'm really excited to do comparison. I wanted to do this video because I've never seen a review on the box itself. I just know about it, and now I know more because obviously I had to go to the site so I can get prices and what you're really guaranteed and all of that, all the lowdown on both boxes. And I'm really excited to show you, the comparison, because I am one where I'm like, don't reinvent the wheel. I think the original Boxycharm box is amazing. So we're going to see if it's really worth it. So before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe, become a part of the Fine Apple tribe because it is free $9.99. My vlog channel is What Would Lizzy Vlog. So now let's get into this comparison. Woo! Let's get into the box. We have the original Boxycharm, which you will pay $25 a month, and you are guaranteed 5 full-size products. The value will be $125 or more. The Boxycharm Premium, which is a larger box, you do pay $35 a month, but it is $10 more, obviously, and you are guaranteed 6 to 7 full-size products. Now, the retail of the box will be $175. So retail will be $125, retail will be $175, $50 difference. Do keep in mind that this is $10 more a month, and that does add up, so it's an extra $120 on your end, so just keep that in mind, because sometimes it's like, oh, it's only $10 more, but then when you really add it up, you're like, $120 more on top of the regular box. So that's why I'm like, let me just give you the numbers just so you can see what you can decide what you like, what fits your budget, or what fits what you really need, because sometimes you just want stuff but you don't really need it. So I am not going to do a review or anything like that. I've already seen what's in the boxes because I'm wearing products right now on the face. I wanted to see what was really worth it. Should you just stick to the regular Boxycharm? Do I think the premium is good? All that good stuff. Oh, really quick, I also found out, being on the website, now you can finally pick one product from Boxycharm, which I think is amazing. That literally was leveled up their game, because now the whole thing with unboxings and all that, whenever I see it in the comments, it wasn't worth it, I didn't like mine, I was disappointed. Now for them to give you the choice to pick one item, wow, to me that's a lot, because now they really got to make sure they have everybody's item in stock, everybody's order is correct, and that really steps up their game on their end, which I think is amazing. Sometimes people are like, I hated everything, but now you can't say that anymore. You know you're gonna like one item. I already know I'm gonna like that one product, so it gives you kind of peace of mind, which I think is bomb. Okay, so now let's get into the unboxing of this. First thing in the box I have, which is so crazy, is the Celestial Thunder palette. Now this is from Dominique Cosmetics, which is by Christine Dominique. I'm currently wearing it on my eyes, and I thought the palette was extremely pigmented. I'll show you probably a little mini tutorial that I filmed really quick, just so I can show you how they blend, how they apply. It had really nice pigment. The colors are very different, but I think that they're so beautiful, and you can do a lot of different looks. Sephora VIB sale is actually going on, and you guys, I was gonna purchase this palette and put it in my cart. It's on my wish list, and now I don't have to, which I was like, whoa, this is so random, because this is on underneath new makeup right now for $45. Does it say 40 or $35? And that's how I was like, whoa, that is so crazy. So it's on the Sephora site right now. It's not something from 2 years ago or last season's, whatever. This is a new product. Really, really excited that this was in there, because I've been dying to try out some products from Christine's line. And I will say I do like the palette. The colors are very different. I've been trying to go away from more basic palettes because I feel like I have so many, and I think that this is really cool just to get yourself out of the box, make you more creative, and it could be that go-to palette that has some fun colors, and you can just do regular neutral looks, because you can really put this on the lid, blow this in your crease, you have a neutral look. But if you want some colors, you can add that, but if you want to do more sultry, you can do that. I know looking at it at first, you're like, oh, what am I gonna do? But there's a ton of different looks. Look, I did more of a pink look today, and I think it looks really nice. I love this shade right here, because it's not just a typical champagne. It's actually more of a stardust kind of pearl that can be like a nice topper or used on the inner corner, so it's not just like a basic color. I haven't really looked at her cosmetics, like put on my wish list until just the other day, and I'm like, cool, now I don't have to get it because I have not heard of this brand. And this is from Caprice, and this is an antioxidant dew quench and glow serum. I'm obsessed with serums. I always go ham with serums. I mix my serums up all the time, and this retails for $90, you guys. $90. This I haven't even opened up because I was like, $90? Whoa. I mean, the packaging looks really nice. It does look like a high-end bottle because I'm all about my skincare. But yeah, I haven't heard of this brand before. $90, that is crazy. So I'm definitely going to do my research on this, but it sounds like a legit brand. For this bottle to be 90 bucks, like, wow. I'm not going to place it on my skin. I'm not trying to cross-contaminate and all that, but let's see. Okay, so it's more like a milky serum type of vibe, so we'll see. I have the Dose of Colors lipstick, which I am currently wearing right now. I'm a big time fan of their liquid lipsticks. I probably have like about 6 of them I bought on my own, and this one is in the shade Charm. I'm guessing it's like Boxycharm. I didn't really like read it, but I don't know if Charm is just like a regular, because I figured Boxycharm, but they made like a special color. I don't know, but I'll see if it's in their line. If it is, I'll put yes or no, whatever right here. But it retails for 18 bucks. I'm a big time fan. Like I said, I have a ton of colors from Dose of Colors, and I'm excited to have this one. So this is what it looks like right here. Next up is Lily Lashes, and it was so funny because I feel like this whole box was curated literally for me. I'm a big time fan of Lily Lashes. The lashes I'm currently wearing right now, but I'll show you what they sent. Now these ones are called CEO. Now Lily Lashes is probably my favorite lash brand right now. Now I know that she does do like sales on lashes that she ended up not putting on their site, etc. And she'll do kind of like a flash like lash sale. I'll show you a pair that I actually bought in her last like flash sale. I actually like the pair that they provided, Boxycharm, much more because it's more flared out and totally my style. Now the lashes they did send are faux mink and they feel really good. I feel like Lily has a really nice band. They're flexible, they last a long time, and I love that I really get a lot of uses out of them. The last item in the box retails for $35, and these are 2 face brushes right here. Now these are complexion brushes. You can do a lot from like cream blush, cream contour, highlighting, all of that stuff. Now I will say I am not the best judgment on, you know, reviewing this product because I'm not too much of a fan of these types of brushes. If anything, I really like this one for more chiseling and doing cream, but I don't know, overall, I don't really use a lot of these brushes. I just like regular shaped, just face brushes, but this is what they look like and they feel really nice. They don't feel cheap at all. They don't feel just like plastic, like they feel really good. So I think it was cool, but just for me personally, just for my own personal preference, I just like regular face brushes, but whoever was interested, hey, you're probably like really happy, right? In here, they gave a little slip, and this one's from Pretty Vulgar. This is just like a free sample, I believe. And it says Undercover Lightweight Concealer from Pretty Vulgar. I don't know if I said the brand. To be very honest, this is one of the brands that I noticed that Boxycharm puts a lot in their boxes, and it's kind of like, and you know, no shade to the brand, but it doesn't excite me. The only thing excited me was I got a translucent powder one time. They give a lot of products from this brand where it's almost like, all right, I'm over it. I want to discover a new one because I'm discovering this one way too much. So I'm kind of like, what? I mean, it's cool they added this in, but I'm kind of over Pretty Vulgar. Just with this box itself, you receive $203 worth of products. Like I said, now you can pick a product yourself so you know you are bound to love like one product. So that right there, I think already just said, okay, the original box was so amazing this month. I mean, $203 worth of products. You got 5 products. You're guaranteed $125 or more. You got $203 for the original. For 25 bucks. That's why I'm like, oh, I think the 25 is pretty cool. I think it sets like, you know, a decent like amount for a subscription where you're really getting your money's worth. And now you can pick your own product, which just brings it up a level, like I said. So far I'm still a winner with the original, but let's get into the premium and let's see if maybe this might fit your, you know, subscription box needs. So the first product I pulled out, which I was in shock because this was in my October favorites, you guys. What are the odds for me to have a product that I have had for probably over 6 months, and I decided to grab it out of my skincare drawer of products that I wanted to try and give it a shot because I ran out of my toner, and I grabbed the Coconut Rose Toner. I just put this in my October favorites. That's why I was like, okay, this box and everything is kind of creeping me out, but it's good at the same time. Now this toner has a very nice light scent. It is very nice and mild. It is not too strong. Now I am one where I take care of my skin. So in my October favorites, I was saying I can't really say if it's a bad one because my skin's still doing good. It cleanses. My pores still look nice and tight, but that's because I have been taking care of my skin for a while and I always use toner. But this hasn't like downgraded my results. My pores aren't enlarged. Like, it's a good product. I love the rose scent. I'm not a big time fan of rose. This scent is amazing. It's done nice and light and I love it. You guys, I couldn't believe it was in the freaking box. I'm like, what the hell? What are the odds? Now this product literally blew me away. What? This is basically like the amount of the box. What I'm about to show you retails for $150. The item is very small. Skincare, I'm telling you, skincare costs money, you guys, and it is definitely worth every penny to invest. And that's why I'm really happy for the subscription box. This is from QMS. I've not heard of them as well as that other serum, so I'm definitely going to research them. And it's an intensive eye cream. For $150, this is probably the most expensive eye cream I have ever seen, like ever. I've had like a small sample of the La Mer eye cream, but that was probably the most expensive ever, but it was a sample, you guys. It wasn't the real thing. I don't even want to open it up. To be honest, let's just see. Okay. And there's the cream right there. I'm excited to try this. Like, just knowing, I mean, sometimes the price doesn't really justify the results or just because it's expensive, you know? It's almost like a high-end mascara that's like 50 bucks, but it works the same as a $7 mascara from the drugstore. I love trying out new skincare products, but I was just the 150 right there. I was like, excuse me? Then next up we have the Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. This retails for $25. This is from Nikita Dragon. I think the packaging is done really nicely. I did get a PR package from her, but I haven't tried out the products yet with like the whole egg. I know that like passed so long ago, but this is a color corrector. Some people may want to try this product out, but they're kind of like, oh, I don't know if I want to order online only. So now you can try it out. I'll let you guys know probably in like a future video if I liked it or not. Boxycharm also sent over the brushes as well. They have the same two brushes that were in the regular box, but now this is a 5-piece set instead of a 2-piece set. So now these are the two that were already in the first original box. So these are the 3 that you would get in the premium box right here. And then the retail for these babies is $65 for the 5 brushes. Next up we have the Becca gloss, and this retails for $22. I already have some glosses from this line and they gave a really nice color. That's one thing that I really like, is that they just don't give, you know, like the color where you're like, really? I got that color, when am I gonna use it? It's almost like the free bonus lipstick that I think they still give, like, I don't know, from Estee Lauder or something, like get a few free beauty bag and it comes with like always a red or like a hot pink, like the colors that you're not gonna maybe wear every single day. But they give a really nice champagne color, which I think that this can complement so many different people, to highlight in the middle of the lips, just give a really nice, just topper over your natural lips. So yeah, I was excited that they gave this shade. Now, this was actually first on the list, but I wanted to show you guys because I was so excited to try this out. And this is a Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. You guys, I've been wanting to try one of these palettes as well. This retails for $55. I have so many other palettes, but I was like, oh, this is just so cool. I love like the setup of the palette, and this is what it looks like. These highlight shades are totally me. I'm currently wearing the blush and one of the highlights across my cheek. It looks so beautiful and stunning. And what I love about the palette itself is that these are the two like blushes. Well, this one is a cream, and look, there's like a little door right here to kind of protect it so it doesn't get disrupted by the highlighter, so that the highlighter doesn't like maybe go into the blush. At first the blush looks very scary, but it definitely is able to be blended out. A little goes a long way, and you could totally work with it because I'm wearing it right now. It doesn't have to go that dark on your cheeks. Now this box was worth $242, you guys. Now it is guaranteed $175, but $242. The original was $203, so not far off from the premium, and that's because, you know, you are paying a little extra $10. So, but remember, $10 every single month can lead to $120 for the year on top of the regular price. But all in all, I would say that the premium box is very, very impressive. Now, I have not seen other premium boxes, so this is just based off of my view and first impression on this box. I thought it was done very well. I feel like both boxes are really great. If anything, I think you still get a lot of products and a lot of bang for your buck. with the original. Like if I were to say, do you think I should get the 25 or the 35? I would say get the 25, to be honest, because I think you get so much with that one. And I don't know, in the end, just thinking an extra 120 for the year, I think you get definitely enough with the 25. Now with the 35, if you have it in your budget to pay that $120 more for the year, I would say go for it. It's all up to you. All right guys, so that is it. Do you guys think the 25 is worth it or the 35? I'll make sure to leave a link where you guys can go ahead and click, try out the box yourself. It is an affiliate link, so if you use it, thank you very much. I kindly appreciate it. If not, it is no big deal. You don't have to use it. Just always want to inform you guys on that. But let me know, do you like the 25? Do you like the 35? Do you have Boxycharm? Are you interested in getting Boxycharm? Maybe you have the Boxycharm and you want to upgrade it to the premium now. Overall, it's just all up to you. All right, guys, I love you so much. I hope you guys appreciated my honest review, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Mwah. Whoop, whoop.
Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe.